What's up, baby? It's Bonnie. Out here waiting for me this morning for the food. What's up, baby? Good buddy there taking care of things. Oh, buddy, stop. It's just a raccoon. I've noticed here on the tube, everybody and their brother now has a raccoon video. You gotta be careful with them, though. They do carry rabies. But just because they come out in daylight don't mean they're rabid. They gotta eat. I wonder if the car's gonna scare them. That's right, we got raccoons on my porch. So hey, start of a brand new week.